Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Buying a carpet steam cleaner is a money-saving convenience for customers. Yes, you can rent a Rug Doctor carpet cleaner for 24 hours or more from your nearest Walmart store locations to deep clean your carpets, rugs, the interior of your vehicle, and even your upholstered furniture.
Take our lead.
Carpet cleaning machines do not reach high enough temperatures to kill bed bugs. Steam is very effective when bed bugs are on the surface of items and can be effective up to 3/4 into fabric surfaces. In cracks and crevices, steam will kill bed bugs up to 2-3/8 into a gap.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How much does steam cleaning cost? The national average cost for steam cleaning is $130 to $180. While most often used for carpet cleaning, you can also use steam to clean everything from furniture to mattresses. The cost typically depends on what you want cleaned: carpet, furniture, mattress, tile, etc.
Let's help you make your mark.
Floor cleaning rental. Our carpet cleaning equipment is powerful enough to remove stubborn dirt, stains and pet hair, and our steam cleaners will sanitize your hardwood floors. The Home Depot Tool Rental Center makes it easy and convenient for you to access high-quality top brands whenever you need them.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.